नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे चेंज मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर। और चेंज मैनेजमेंट का आज का जो मॉडल है वो है कोटस 8 स्टेप मॉडल। इन दिस कोटस 8 स्टेप मॉडल it is described how to implement change in any business organization. So before starting this Kotas 8 step model, I would like to introduce first of all what is change management. What is the need of change? We see that business environment is changing continuously and technology is also changing, circumstances changes, political scenario changes, competition changes, and external and internal environment of the organization changes. And to cope up with that change, it is necessary to change the organization in such a way that it can compete further, it can introduce new product as the requirement of the market or with the development of the technology. So first thing is the perception of change or the identification of change. A leader has to identify that this change is required in the organization. After identification of the change, the first step of the Kotas model will come, that is the creation of urgency. Creation of urgency among the organization people at the top level. They must understand that there is urgency in the organization to change. If that change is not implemented, then it will be difficult for the organization to survive. And survival is at stake. This is important. Then this sense of urgency has to be inculcated in the minds of the people. After that, this change process will start. So, after creating the sense of urgency and need in the minds of the people, it is necessary to identify a group of the people, a powerful coalition that can form a powerful coalition to implement that change. A group of people who is ready for the change, who can understand the change and who can lead the change, that such group is to be identified and responsibility is given to that group that they should implement that change. After that, the third step will come. In that third step, it is to create a vision for change. A vision for change is created among the minds of the people, that what change is to be done, how it is to be done, and what will be the end product of that change. This vision has to be percolated down the group. So for that, communication is required. And the fourth step of the Kotas 8-step model comes. That means communicate the vision down the organization. This communication is very important, because the people at the top may think that there is a need of change, but the people at the below level, they may not understand the need of change. So this communication exercise is must, communicating the vision for change. After this is effected, that communication is done at the lower level, that this communication has been completed and need of change has been understood by all, then this is required to be implemented, and for that implementation, empowerment is needed. Empowering action. That means power of delegation is given below to implement that change. Whatever risks are to be taken, whatever new ideas are to be taken, whatever new resources are to be generated, they all have to be created, and this empowering action is implemented in the organization. After that, at the sixth stage, create quick wins. Quick means a short-term goals. For implementing any change, there must be a step-by-step process. So for implementing the total change, we have to divide in a short-term goal, and that short-term goals must have reward linked with that. So that is called create quick wins or short wins, so that people can understand that change, and those who contribute in that change, they feel satisfied that yes, we are helping in the organization to survive and we are ready to change. Then seventh point is build on the change. After understanding the change, after understanding the short-term goals, slowly that change process starts and the total process of changing occurs. After this total transformation, it is necessary to make it stick. Make it stick means that whatever changes have occurred, they must be reinforced. They must sustain. The change should not be reverted back. So it is essential to form the procedures, to form the regulations, to form the organization structure in such a way that they are hardbound and the change which has already occurred, that is not reverted back. So this is called the reinforcing the change. In this way, this Cottard's 8-step model has been completed for change management. Right.